In this video, I will test the new Ichimoku cloud indicator on the 1-minute time frame that works really well on all markets and especially in cryptocurrency. I'm going to be explaining the indicators and the strategy in detail. After that, we'll also go through some false signals and we'll see how we can stay away from them. So make sure to watch till the end so that you don't miss any important tips. So I'm in TradingView.com and we'll use this as a 1-minute and regular candles chart. We're going to be using 3 indicators in this strategy. So for the first indicator, we will go into the Indicators tab and search for Super Ichi and select this one by Lux Algo. This cloud indicator is a modification of the popular Ichimoku cloud indicator, using the equally popular Super Trend indicator as its core, thus no longer entirely relying on calculations done over a fixed window size, but instead relying on an average true range and the trend direction method offered by the Super Trend. The Super Ichi indicator can be interpreted similarly to a regular Ichimoku, as it retains the components and aspects from this one. So generally speaking, when the price action is moving above the Super Ichi cloud and the cloud is green color, the market is moving in an uptrend. And when the price action is moving below the cloud and the cloud is red, the market is in the downtrend. And when the price is closed inside the cloud, this indicates a range in market. So this indicator will serve us as a trend filter or as a secondary confirmation indicator. For the second indicator, we will search for support and resistance with breaks and select this indicator right here. This provides basic pivot point support and resistance levels to the user whilst displaying break signal tags. It also has the ability to let the user display more significant breaks by filtering using the volume oscillator. This feature also avoids noise and false signals. So every time the price action makes a significant breakout from the level of resistance or support, the indicator will print a green or red label, and based on these labels, we're going to be entering buy and sell trades. Now for the third and last indicator, we will search for RC. This will play a huge role when exiting a winning trade. When the indicator gets oversold, this is a signal to exit a winning sell trade. And as soon as the indicator gets overbought, this is a signal to exit a winning buy trade. Now we know what role exactly these indicators are going to play in our strategy. Regarding settings, we're not going to change the inputs on any of these indicators. We're just going to change their style. So let's go into the settings for the Super Ichi indicator and make the backgrounds a bit more visible. Now let's access the ERC indicator settings and we'll get rid of the ERC-based MAO, the middle level and the RSI background fill. Now our chart is completely set up. So let's get right into it. Now let's understand the exact rules for this strategy. Let's start with the conditions for entering a buy trade. Number 1. The price action must be closed above the Super Ichi cloud, and the cloud must be green in color like it is here. Number 2. The price action must create a bullish breakout. Such breakout is confirmed by the green label printed on a chart, and it can say either bullwick or simply breakout. After these 2 rules are confirmed, you can enter a buy order at the close of the candle, and the stop loss will be set at the recent lowest price. Now, where will we exit a winning trade? We'll exit as soon as we have the RSI line crossed above the 70 level. So as all the rules are confirmed, we'll enter this trade at the close of this candle, and we'll set our stop loss at the recent swing low. And here, the RC crosses the 70 line, so we'll exit the trade here. And as you can see, we have a profitable trade here. Now, let's take a look at one more buy trade example. Here, we can see the price action is above the cloud, and the cloud is green color, and we had a signal to buy. So we'll get in at the close of this candle, and set our stop loss at the recent swing low, and we'll exit here. As we can see, the RSI is crossing the 70 line over here, and we can see we have a profitable trade. Now, let's understand the conditions for entering a sell trade. I am often asked what platform I trade on. I do so on Bybit. I use this platform daily to open my buy and sell positions. If you also want to trade on this platform, you can visit the link below the video. Bybit also has a deposit bonus up to $4,150 that you can take advantage of to test out the platform for free. In addition, you can trade with a 4-price layout to open even more buy and sell positions. Take a quick look, and then we can move on with explaining the sell trade for this strategy. First, the price action must be moving below the cloud, and the cloud must be red in color like it is here. Second, the price action must create a bearish breakout, which is confirmed by the red label. The stop loss will be set at the recent highest price. And we're going to exit a winning trade as soon as the RC drops below the 30 level. If you have a scenario where your strategy tells you to go short, but the RSI is already oversold, you still take that sell trade and exit the trade as soon as the RSI gives you a new exit signal. So as all the rules are confirmed here, we'll enter this trade at the close of this candle, and we'll set our stop loss at the recent swing high, and here the RRC is overbought, so we'll exit the trade here, and we have a profitable trade. Now, let's take a look at one more sell example. Here, we can see the price action is below the cloud, and the cloud is red color, and we had a signal to sell, so we'll get in at the close of this candle, and set our stop loss at the recent swing high, and we'll exit here. As we can see, the RSI is below the 30 line over here, and we can see we have a profitable trade again. Here, also, you can see the price actions is below the cloud, and the cloud is red. Moreover, we have a sell signal, but the RSI is already oversold. We'll still enter this trade and keep our stop loss at the recent swing high. And as mentioned earlier, we'll take profit when the RC is oversold again. That is right here, and you can see the trade ended in a profit. You can trade with the strategy on different ones and make even more money. You can also try to improve this strategy by adding a volume or a volatility indicator to the charts. This way, you will make the strategy even safer. And if you want to make even more profits, you can also add a different exit indicator. The possibilities are endless. Make sure to test this strategy yourself. If you guys liked this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so that you get a notification when I upload another strategy. See you in the next one.